Let's do a song called Rainy Day Blues. This is an original song by the Storm Honeys. And since it's going to rain later, we figured that it's appropriate to play. As it's the first time we're playing it together. But Mom's heard me play a couple times in the studio. Alright. Give up one a little bit more reverb. Give yours a little bit. You're already where I just put mine. Okay. Put this down just a tiny bit like this.
Okay. We'll get used to the computer here.